Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our first chapter, and that is Introduction to Computer. In previous class, you have learned about hardware. Now this year we are going to learn the different categories of hardware devices. So before starting the actual topic, let me revise the term hardware. Computer hardware includes the physical parts of the computer to which we can touch and feel, like keyboard, mouse, monitor. Computer is made up of different hardware devices like keyboard, motherboard, mouse, monitor, and all these devices are categorized into different type. So now we'll see the different categories of hardware in detail. The first category of computer hardware is input device. It includes all the input devices available in the computer, right? Like keyboard, mouse, scanner. All these devices is known as the input devices. The next hardware category of hardware devices is output devices. It includes all the output devices of our computer like monitor and printer. The third category is processing device, and the last category of hardware devices is storage devices. It includes all the storage devices like hard disk, RAM, ROM. All these are the all these are the storage devices. So let's see all these categories in details.
To computers. Computer system. A computer is a machine that works according to a list of instructions known as program. It is an electronic machine that helps you to process data. It is used to solve problems related to almost every field, such as education, home, medicine, science and research, animation and publishing. A computer system has two main parts which together make it work: hardware, software. Hardware. These are the physical devices of a computer system which you can see and touch. These devices constitute the hardware of a computer system. A computer hardware has following devices: input devices, output devices, processing device, storage devices. Input devices. Input devices enable you to enter or input data into a computer. You already know about the two most commonly used input devices, keyboard and mouse. Some other input devices are scanner. This input device scans images from photographs, posters, magazines directly into the computer. Some commonly used scanners are flatbed scanner. It has a flat surface made of glass where the item to be scanned is placed. It works like a photocopy machine. Handheld scanner. This scanner is used by dragging it over the object that is to be scanned. It is most commonly used in shopping stores. MICR. MICR, Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. This input device is used to read and identify magnetized characters printed on a document such as a check. Digital camera. This input device is used to take photographs. The photographs from the camera can be transferred to the computer with the help of a data cable. Digital cameras hold a memory card that stores the photographs. The memory card can be taken out of the camera and the photos can also be put into the computer using a card reader. Drawing tablet. This input device is a board which has a special pen to write on it and is connected to the computer. The word or image you draw on this device can be saved in the computer. Touch screen. A touch screen is a screen that you can touch with your finger to input information. Examples of touchscreen devices are tablet, touchscreen monitor, smartphones, kiosks, and ATM. Web camera. A web camera or webcam is a video camera connected to a computer for capturing images and videos. Webcam technology is widely used in various fields such as video conferencing and instant messaging. Output devices. Output devices enable the computer to show you the desired result and information. You already know about the most commonly used output devices: monitor, speakers, and printers. Let us know more about printers. There are mainly 3 types of printers. Dot matrix printer. This printer contains movable print heads with pins that strike the ribbon, placing a dot on the paper with hundreds of dots forming images or text. These printers are less expensive but are very noisy. The speed of this printer is given in CPS, characters per second. Inkjet printer. This printer forms letters and images on the paper by spraying small streams of quick-drying ink. The speed of this printer is given in LPM, lines per minute. Laser printer. This printer uses laser technology to print images on the paper. These give the best quality output and are the most expensive. The speed of this printer is given in ppm, pages per minute. Let us learn about a new printing technology called as 3D printing. 3D printing. 3D printing technology is changing the way we produce objects, from tools and toys to clothing and even body parts. 3D printing is a part of process known as additive manufacturing, where object is created by adding material layer by layer. Additive manufacturing allows designers to create complex parts of machines, aeroplanes, and cars. The most common material used in 3D printing is plastic, but the use of other materials allow for the creation of some amazing products. 3D printing is becoming very popular even in food industry. In the medical world, doctors can 3D print small body parts like ears and noses by using a patient's cells. Some surgeons have even tested 3D printed organs for transplants. Recently, China has 3D printed 10 houses in just one day at the cost of less than $5,000 per house. The first step in 3D printing is to create the blueprint of object you want to print using a computer. The finalized drawing is imported into some special software that prepares it in a format that is understood by the 3D printer. The 3D printer is set up to allow the solid object to be made. The solid object is built up layer by layer. This can take several hours depending on the thickness of the layers, the material used, and the size of the final object. Some other output devices are LCD projector. This output device is used to display video, images, or computer data on a large screen. It projects an image onto the surface by passing light over an LCD panel. It is used while giving presentations. Plotter. This output device is used for making a large paper drawing, such as construction maps or engineering drawings. Plotters are divided into 3 types. Drum plotter. This plotter consists of a drum or roller on which a paper is placed, and the drum rotates back and forth to produce the graph on the paper. Drum plotters are used to produce continuous output, such as plotting earthquake activity. Flatbed plotter. This plotter plots on paper that is spread and fixed over a rectangular flatbed table. It is used in the design of cars, ships, aircrafts, buildings, and highways. Inkjet plotter. This plotter creates an image by spraying small droplets of ink on the paper. It is used in designing banners, billboards, and road signs. Processing device.
So, students, hopefully you understood all the categories of hardware devices. So, today I am going to give you some questions on the basis of taught portion. You have to write down the answer of that question in your notebook. In next period, we'll start the next category of hardware device, and that is processing device. Thank you.